I hope you guys are ready to see how we turned this 613 Aliexpress Cranberry store unit into this ash blonde bombshell using box dye. Stay tuned. So let's get into this Cranberry Store 613 13 by 4 lace front unit. We have her in 22 inches. Okay, we're going to need 4 boxes of Revlon Color Silk dye. Now, I got this 2 for 6, y'all. Okay, that's real life. 2 for 6. We're going to use medium ash blonde and dark ash blonde. What you want to do is take the contents out of the box, everything except for the conditioner, and mix it all together in your bowl. So I'm just using my Halloween bowl. And we're just going to mix the contents all together to get that nice, beautiful ash blonde look. We want to be ashy Larry out here, okay? So we're just mixing up the contents. Once we've mixed up the contents, we're just going to get right into dyeing this unit. So we're just adding the dye liberally to the hair. I actually like to take my time in the front, only because I want to make sure that it's even and I'm not really dyeing the lace, just the hair. And then we're just liberally adding it throughout the unit just to make sure it covers every spot. Now, when you're dyeing a 613 unit, another color, it's much easier to go through and make sure that you have gotten every spot, because you'll see those yellow hairs popping through while you're dyeing. Like, this is wrong. Let me go hit her up again. Okay. So just take your time and go through and add the dye liberally. It is such a beautiful color. I know this is looking real Death Becomes Her, but we're going to get her right on together, y'all. So let's let this sit and get through this unit.
So let's get into the cap construction real quick. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable strap. Now this is an adjustable, in a 13 by 4 lace. Okay, so we're just going to glue her down and get her together. She did come with a little bit of lace in the back. This is how good I dyed it, y'all. Even it's dyed in the back. Because you know sometimes when you get lazy, when you dyeing some hair. Because it was almost about to be that way. So this is her on. I really wanted an ash blonde. I was looking at Rabiana. And she is just so stunningly brown. And I was like, I could do that color. Her and I are similar complexion. So I'm just spraying around. We're just gonna get this nice and tacky. Okay, guys, so we are back with our 613 unit. We dyed her all by ourselves with 4 boxes of Revlon medium ash blonde and ash blonde hair dye. So I am super happy with how this turned out. What do you guys think? This is my first time dyeing a 613 unit ash blonde. I usually stay safe and I'll dye her like a red or something like that, but this one I wanted to try something new. I've been getting so much inspiration off of YouTube. Rabiana Simone, I think she did it, and I love the way it looked on her. She did it a few years ago, and I was like, you know what, I'm a kitchen beautician and I'll figure it out. So this unit, I think the hair is not as thick. It's not a very thick unit, which I'm not upset about because it's a long unit. So it's like summertime fine. You know what I mean? I'm just so happy with the way this turned out. I think this looks stunning. She does shed a bit, okay? She has a super big head-friendly cap, which for all my girls, this one is for you, okay? This unit in 20 inches... Okay, $161. And I think for all the rag and tag that I've done to this unit, I'm very impressed. Like, I'm happy. You guys tell me what you think. Are you impressed with my dyeing skills? I've never done it this color. This is the first time for me. What are you guys thinking? How do you think it looks on me? All of that. I need to know all of that. All of that. Okay, but I really do think that you guys should check out Cranberry Hair. They have super affordable options as far as their units go, and I am super happy with how this turned out. $12 worth of dye. The dye was going for 2 for $6, guys. $12. So I'm super happy with how this turned out. This unit, again, is from the Cranberry store. This is the 613 13x4 lace frontal unit in bone straight, and I'm super happy with her. I did straighten her out, but I didn't add any curls or anything like that, which I don't think she needs it. I'm sorry I keep brushing it. I just really love this color, and I'm very proud of myself right now. I'm mother's proud. So if you have not already, bust down, tell me what you think, and get into this Cranberry store. Okay, this cranberry hair. Choose cranberry, choose beauty, baby. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.